All right, we have more breaking news to get to. The man accused of a deadly hijacking on a Metro bus has been identified and booked on suspicion of murder.
As we learn more about Lamont Campbell, there is new scrutiny over LA's Metro system, and some of our local lawmakers are also getting frustrated. Eyewitness News reporter Ashley Mackey is live in downtown Los Angeles with the latest on the investigation and Metro's safety enhancements already in place. Ashley?
David, Ellen, still a lot of unanswered questions as the investigation on this ultimately fatal incident continues. But one thing our city officials can agree on is public safety needs to be our top priority.
In pursuit of an MTA bus southbound Figueroa approaching 120th, requesting backup air unit supervisor.
Early Wednesday morning, a Metro bus was hijacked, leaving one person dead. A suspect hijacked the Line 81 bus at gunpoint just before 1 in the morning at Figueroa Street and Manchester Avenue in South Los Angeles. The driver and 2 passengers were on board.
Possible male with a gun holding a possible hostage.
That was generated by the bus driver pressing the 911 button that notifies the bus operations center, that notifies us that there's an emergency on the bus.
An hour-long pursuit ensued. Several spike strips were deployed, which ultimately punctured the right tire of the bus. The bus eventually came to a stop at 6th and Alameda Streets in downtown LA.
Once the bus stopped, the officers disabled it to prevent it from moving again. And SWAT officers used a distraction device, boarded the bus, rescued the bus driver, as many of you saw through the driver's window, and ultimately took the suspect into custody.
Unfortunately, one of the passengers was shot multiple times and pronounced dead at a nearby hospital. Police say the suspect, 51-year-old Lamont Campbell, was booked for murder. At the press conference today, Mayor Bass, Supervisor Hahn, and others called on stricter safety measures for public transportation.
We now have a pilot program that is testing 3 different weapons detection systems here at Union Station. And it's my hope that we'll be able to expand this across our entire system.
There is no place for this in LA, and we will be working to ensure that all Angelenos, riders and operators, are safe.
Along with the weapons detection system, Supervisor Hahn also mentioned establishing the Transit Public Community Safety Department and having uniformed officers ride along bus routes. She also mentioned by the end of the year, all of the buses will have the bus barriers installed, which would fully enclose bus drivers behind plexiglass as an added layer of safety precaution.